Ever feel bored seeing the same old navigation bar icons every single day? Recent, home, back, that's it? What if you could turn them into something cooler, cuter, or totally unique like this? Good news, it's super easy. Let me show you. Alright, first thing first, open the GoodLock app. If GoodLock isn't available on your device, you can use FindLock instead. They basically work the same. Once you're inside, look for a module called NavStar. Install it and make sure you're using the latest version. After that, open NavStar and simply turn it on. Now this is where the fun starts. You'll see a bunch of navigation bar icon styles already available. Some look cool, some are cute, and some are just really unique. Just pick the one you like. But if you want something more personal, you can totally create your own. Just tap New Configuration. Here, you can customize everything. Change the recent, home, back, and even the keyboard close button icons to whatever style you want. You can also adjust the navigation bar height. Want it short, medium, or tall? Just choose what feels right for you. And that's it. Done. See? Super simple. Now your navigation bar doesn't have to look boring ever again. So, which style would you choose? Cute, minimal, or something crazy?